Hi, I'm Bharat Reddy. I came from Andhra Pradesh. I've been staying in Perangudi for 4 to 5 months. Uh, I came to Apollo Hospitals for the ACL reconstruction surgery under Dr. Madhan Mohan Reddy sir. So I think I got into semi-private room where I could see this nurses and service boys and cleaners. They're doing a very good job, and everything is according to the time. And we can see the food service guys like Hari Prasad and other persons and nurses, Logeshwari and Rajeshri. They were very helpful, and they were actually patiently clearing all of our doubts. And and even the medicines they are being given time to time. Overall, the service is great, and yeah, even I had food is really good when it comes to quality. I had different options for different meals, like morning, afternoon. I have different options. Overall, yeah, the service is great.